Have you ever wondered how your car's engine works? In this video, we'll break it down step by step so you can understand what's happening under the hood. At its core, a car engine is an internal combustion engine. It converts fuel into energy to make your car move. Here's how it works. Intake: the engine takes in air and fuel. Compression: the mixture is compressed to increase power. Combustion: a spark ignites the fuel, creating a mini explosion. Exhaust: the engine releases waste gases. These steps repeat thousands of times per minute to keep your car running. Did you know there are different types of car engines? Let's explore the most common ones. Inline engine, most common in small cars. Cylinders are arranged in a straight line. V-engine, used in powerful cars. Cylinders are arranged in a V-shape for better balance. Electric motor, the future of cars, using electricity instead of fuel. Let's look at the key parts of an engine and what they do. Pistons move up and down to create power. Crankshaft converts piston movement into rotational energy. Valves control air and fuel flow. Spark plug ignites the air-fuel mixture. Cooling system prevents overheating. Here are some fun facts about car engines. The smallest car engine ever made was only 49 cubic centimeters. Turbochargers can increase engine power without increasing size. Driving fast does not always damage your engine if it's properly maintained. And that's how car engines work. Now you know what happens every time you turn the key or press the start button. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Let us know if you want more videos about car mechanics.